Hey, welcome back to Stairs. I'm sure you will enjoy the animation you just watched. And on this video, I'm going to show you how you can use this animation style to grow your channel. Where you can get monetized within few games using or coding this animation style on games. So on this video, I'll show you how to generate the ideas using Claude and how to cast the whole original characters and how to keep them consistent in every shots of your video. This is a complete beginner friendly walkthrough for faceless YouTube observation and here code creation in 2026. So stick around because I'm also going to show you one mistake in this niche that can get an entire channel wiped out in under your week. Something you need to know before you post your post video. Once you have got this walkthrough down, you can realistically about 3 to 4 videos an hour. So let's get into exactly how it works. And further subscribe me to this channel and click on the subscribe button. Tip it subscribe. 15 million views, 7 days, 1 video, 74 videos on the whole channel. That's it. 1 from 3 days ago, 12 million. 1 from yesterday, 5.2 million. 30,000 subscribers pulling numbers a channel 100 times bigger would kill for. No face. No camera, no editing team, a cat, a mouse, and 1 free AI tool. Look at the feed. Same 2 characters every single time. The cat gets pranked. The mouse builds something ridiculous. The cat falls for it. Again, that's the whole format. It never changes. And millions of people watch it on loop every single day. So I spent the last few days pulling these videos apart frame by frame until I could rebuild them myself. My first attempt was garbage. The cat changed color halfway through. The mouse had 4 different faces. Nothing like what's on your screen right now. 11 tries before I found what these channels are actually doing differently. And it's one line in the prompt. That single line is what keeps the same cat and the same mouse looking identical in every clip. It's the part everybody gets wrong. You're getting it in this video, but not yet, because everything before it is the setup, and skipping ahead makes it useless. Every tool is free, no subscription, no credit card. By the time this ends, fuzzy orange cat, little gray mouse, the prank, the chaos. Your first one uploaded before you sleep tonight, one morning first. Do not copy this channel. There's a mistake in this niche that wipes the channel in under a week. I've watched it kill 3 of them, all bigger than this one. Stay to the end. Both are coming. Real quick, because this is the one thing you'll actually need. The full prompt, the one that took me 11 attempts and days of testing to get right. I'm not making you rebuild it. Type video prompt in the comments and I'll send it straight to you. That's it. Drop the comment, hit like, subscribe so you don't lose the rest of this, and let's keep going. Write the prompt. It's sitting in a Google Doc and the link goes out the second you comment. Open the doc, select the whole thing, copy it, all of it. Every line matters, so don't grab half. Now open Claude. That's the tool. Free account, no card, nothing to install. New chat, paste the prompt straight in, hit send, and watch what comes back, because Claude doesn't start writing. It comes back with 1 word, start. That's it. That's your whole job. Type start in the box and send it. And here's where it gets good. Claude comes back with 10 complete video ideas, not vague suggestions, actual concepts built for this exact style. Each one has a hook, a story, a payoff. And next to every single idea, it gives you the exact video length and the exact number of shots you'll need to generate. So you already know what you're signing up for before you commit a single second to it. Read all 10. Pick the one that makes you laugh, because if it doesn't land on you, it won't land on anybody. I'm taking idea number 7. That's the one we're building. Start to finish for the rest of this video. Whichever idea you picked, mine's number 7. Copy that line, paste it back in, hit generate. Now watch, because Claude doesn't start building. It stops and asks you to cast the film. Colorway options for Colt the cat. Colorway options for Monty the mouse. Then the hero prop your story needs. Full detail on every one. That's your channel's face. Not a copy of anybody else's cat. Yours, locked in before a single image exists. Pick one from each section. Copy the whole block. Paste it back. I'm taking A for Monty, C for Colt, generate. And what comes back next is the thing it took me 11 failed attempts to understand. Hit generate, and this is where Claude locks it in. It builds your character sheets. A full turnaround of your mouse. Front, side, three-quarter, back all in one image. A 6-expression grid for his face. Then the same 2 for your cat. And that is the entire reason your cat stays the same cat in shot 1 and shot 12. Miss this and you get 4 different animals in 40 seconds. That was my first 11 attempts. Now we turn them into actual images, and this part is free. Google Flow. Go to it, click New Project. You'll see this interface. Hit Settings. Switch the output from video to image. Set your aspect ratio to 16:9 bit. Set your number of images. Pick your model. Now go back to Claude, copy the first sheet prompt, paste it into Flow, generate, copy the next one, paste, generate. Same step every time, every sheet, every plate, one by one. My mouse is done, my cat is done, every plate is done. Now we've got the cast. Next, we build the actual film out of them, and the very first frame is the one that decides whether anybody stops scrolling. Your sheets are done. Now the actual film starts. Go back to Claude and type done. That's it. One word, generate, and Claude gives you one single prompt. 1. This is the hero frame, the thumbnail grade shot, the frame that goes at the very front of your video. This is the one that decides whether somebody stops scrolling or flicks past you. Everything else in the film is supporting this frame. So copy that hero prompt. Go into Flow, drag and drop your sheets in that order. Check settings are still image, still 916. Then paste the prompt underneath and generate. There it is. That's your hook frame. We turn it into a video later. Now back to Claude. Type next, generate. And Claude starts handing you every shot in the film, one at a time. Shot 1, shot 2, shot 3. Sheets to upload, the exact camera, the exact light. However, many of your topics are needed. Copy shot 1 from Claude. Head to Flow. Here's the shortcut nobody tells you. Hover your cursor over the image you already generated. The hero frame and a reuse option pops up. Click it, and Flow automatically loads all your character sheets straight back into the prompt box. You don't re-upload anything, ever. Now delete the old prompt sitting in there. Delete it completely. Paste shot 1 in its place. Generate. Then I shot 2. Same move. Shot 3. Same move. One by one, straight down the list, until every shot in your film exists as an image. That's me generating mine right now, and every single one of these is free. No subscription, no credits, no card. Once they're all done, click the 3 dots on each one and hit download. Every image, one at a time, is saved to your machine. Don't skip this. You can't animate what you haven't downloaded. All of mine are down, and right now you're holding a pile of beautiful frozen pictures. Nothing moves, nothing breathes. This is exactly where most people upload garbage and wonder why nobody watches, because the next step is where the whole thing either comes alive or falls apart completely. Back to Claude. It's asking if you want the motion prompts. Type ready, generate. And this is the part that separates a real video from a slideshow. Claude writes a motion prompt for every single image. What moves, how fast, where the weight lands, where the comedy beat hits. Not make it move, actual direction. Copy the first one. Now go to Dola AI, links in the comments, same place as the prompt. Click the plus icon, upload your first Flow image. Paste the motion prompt underneath. Now switch from image to video, pick create video, pick Seedance 2.0, set it to 5 seconds. Aspect ratio 916, generate. Wait about 60 seconds, it's the free tiers to let it cook. Then next image, next motion prompt, same steps, straight down the list. Seedance 2.0 is the highest quality model in this whole workflow, and you're getting 3 free videos a day on it. Want more in a day? Use another account. Simple. Don't want to wait at all? Flow does it too. Upload your image, go to settings, switch from image to video, paste the motion prompt, generate. Flow hands you 50 credits every single day, so split it. Some clips on Dola, some on Flow, and you never pay. My clips are rendering, and once they're all down, there's one thing left, and it's the thing that decides whether people watch to the end or thumb past you in half a second. Download every clip, one by one, all of them onto your device, because now we build the actual video. Open CapCut. Any editor works, but CapCut's free. Hit import, pull all your clips in, and drop them onto the timeline in order. Here's the retention move though. Your hero clip, that thumbnail grade shot we made first, put that at the very front, frame 1. That's what stops the thumb. Everything else follows behind it. Watch the pacing as you go. If a clip drags, speed it up. If one doesn't land, go back and regenerate it. It costs you nothing. Add your transitions, tighten the cuts, and export. That's it. That's the whole thing. And once you've done it once, you're making 3 to 4 of these an hour. Remember, comment viral video prompt, and the whole system comes to you. Now let's watch the final result. That's your first video. Tell me in the comments what you'd build with it. Your 2 characters, your world, your jokes. And if you want the niche that's even bigger than this one, that video is on screen right now. Go watch it.